Hello everybody, my name is Lamia Zahrani and I'm from Saudi Arabia, and in my country people take pride in religion, language and culture, and all of these elements are linked and allow us to express our identity as Saudis. And Arabic language has been the focal point of education. And actually, we are taught the beauty of the Arabic language at a young age. However, during my studies in my applied linguistic department as an undergraduate student, I was exposed to the beauty of other languages and cultures. So I learned to take pride in my native language while acknowledging the similarities and appreciating the differences of other languages and cultures. And I realized that linguistics is a door that can lead to discovering different cultures, people, and languages. And this part of identity that I would like to transfer to my students. I want to transfer my linguistics knowledge to my students and make them realize and appreciate how languages can open their minds to other societies, cultures, and beliefs. Gaining professional knowledge and experience and being introduced to up-to-date teaching strategies are why I desire to get a master's degree in TESOL. I want to learn new methods to motivate students and to choose effective teaching materials, and I would also like to learn how to deal with a wide range of students' needs and personalities. Thank you for listening.